My Medley Smoothie. Tastes so good. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a smoothie medley. Alright, so before I go into this video, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Remember to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about my videos so far. Okay guys, don't forget to comment and share. Alright, so let's get into this video. I have in this platter some different fruits. So we have strawberry, pineapple, grape, cantaloupe. Alright, see, it's very pretty, very beautiful. And I have here some milk, yogurt, and some cinnamon that I'll be using, and some ice. Right, so let's add the fruits to the blender. So it's a medley smoothie with the different fruits. Okay, I added some yogurt. Okay, that should be enough because we don't want it to be watery. I'll just add 2 ice cubes, cover, and then I'm gonna blend. So the fruits are easy, soft fruits, so no long blending. I'm gonna use the same glass to share this out, and this is the color. Wow, so beautiful, looking so beautiful, so lovely. Color is so delicate. Look at it guys, so beautiful. Tasting good, real good. Tastes real good guys. It's not sweet, it just tastes real good and real nice. And I'm gonna garnish it with some cinnamon powder. Awesome guys. So remember guys, the ingredients are a bunch of different fruits: pineapple, strawberry, cantaloupe, grape. Yes, so you can go ahead and make it. You can use local fruits, you can use any fruits you want to make this medley smoothie. Okay, yeah, very tasty. So remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this nice smoothie. Okay, and yes, okay, I use some milk to blend and yogurt. Right, so those are the ingredients, so go ahead and try it. You will love it. You can use any other fruits, as I said before, to make this smoothie. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.